Welcome to this tutorial on the Betterment Android app, a comprehensive investment management tool designed to help you achieve your financial goals. First, let's start with the basics. Betterment is a robo-advisor that offers low-cost, personalized investment services, allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. The Android app provides an easy-to-use interface to manage your investments on the go. To get started, you need to download and install the Betterment app from the Google Play Store. Once installed, you can sign up for a new account or log in to an existing one. The app will guide you through a series of questions to determine your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. The app offers a range of features, including investment tracking, portfolio rebalancing, and tax optimization. It also provides educational resources and financial planning tools to help you make informed investment decisions. You can set up automatic deposits, transfer funds, and monitor your account activity all within the app. One of the key benefits of the Betterment app is its low fees. With no trading fees, no minimum balance requirements, and a low annual management fee, the app also offers a range of investment options, including socially responsible investing and income-focused portfolios. To use the app effectively, it's essential to set clear financial goals, such as saving for retirement or a down payment on a house. You should also regularly review and adjust your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your goals and risk tolerance. In terms of security, the Betterment app uses robust encryption and two-factor authentication to protect your account information. It is also registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission and a member of the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. In conclusion, the Betterment Android app is a powerful tool for managing your investments and achieving your financial goals. With its user-friendly interface, low fees, and range of investment options, it's an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced investors. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the app consistently, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future.